Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be unboxing a KBDFans KBD67 Lite. This board was purchased from Divinity during the extras from round 2. Let's take a quick look over here at the product page before we get into this box. So, this board was available in 6 different colors. This is what they're calling the translucent Tiffany. This is their pink. This is their white and gray. This is the smoke. This is the white, and this is the black. So it's got 6 different variants. Let's take a look at what's different between round 2 and round 1. Round 2 was available in a wired or wireless version. It includes KBDFans screw-in stabs, whereas round 1 included cherry screw-in stabs. Round 2 has an injection molded polycarbonate plate as opposed to the CNC polycarbonate plate from round 1. Round 2 is not pre-assembled, round 1 was. Round 2 has offered 3 new colors: the transparent Tiffany, the gray and white, and the pink. The differences between the 2 PCBs: the wired version has Kale sockets, while the wireless has Gateron. The wireless version does not support VIA. The PCB for the wired version does. Wired has per key RGB, and there is no RGB on the wireless aside from a caps lock indicator light. So, without any further ado, let's bust into this box. So, let's see what we got here. I did open this box already. I haven't taken it out. I needed to get the packing label or packing slip and shipping label out. Looks like we've got a sticker here from Divinity. I actually like that sticker. That's the first one of those I've got from them. Let's get Bob Ross out of the way here. Gotta have a Bob Ross bobblehead hanging out, you know. So, looks like the standard KBDFans black box with the KBDFans logo. And inside we have, oh wow, it actually comes in a pretty nice case here. Let's see what all is in here. I like this case though. It's not super hard, it's flexible, but it will protect it from any drops, you know. I'm sure if you're carrying your board, you're gonna take care of it. It looks like there's plenty of room in here for the keycaps to fit, whereas I know a lot of cases that you get with boards, they just don't really leave room for the accessories. It's got a nice slot up here where you can fit your cable. This actually has kind of like a felt velveteen filling inside here. Let's see what we got. So this is a polycarbonate case. It is very light, as to be expected with polycarbonate. Let's see what we got here. So yeah, I was right. It is the black version. Just seems to be just a standard PC case. It says KBDFans on the bottom. Looks like it's got spots for some rubber bump-ons. And we've got the one blocker here next to the left arrow, excuse me. So this looks like it will be plate foam, or no. This is going to be, okay, so this is going to be the foam that's going to go underneath because it's got cutouts for the hot swap socket. So I'm assuming that would go underneath of your PCB. We have here a clear polycarbonate plate. It's reminds me a lot of the tofu plate, other than it has little screw holes, like little nuts built into the plate, which I have not seen that in a KBDFans plate before. Interested in seeing how that works in the build. Okay, so maybe I am wrong. Maybe this is the silicone dampener on the bottom, so it is thicker. Guess we'll figure this all out as we put it together over the weekend. We have our PCB here. Let's take a look at it. It does in fact have Kale hot swap sockets. See the Kale brand name on there. It says KBD67 Make 2 RGB V2. It's got a QMK logo there. Let's plug it in real quick and take a look at the RGBs on it while we've got it out. Whoa. So yeah, standard pretty bright RGBs. Everything seems to be lighting up as it should. So let's see what's in our little goodie bags here. Let's see what we've got here. This KBDFans got their website on there. Let's see. So we've got, the one thing I do like about KBDFans stabilizers, their washers are adhesive backed, so you don't have to worry about them falling out all over the place. So it looks like it came with clear stabilizer housings. Here's our stabilizer wire. Got some little rubber stabilizer pads, which are becoming very popular. Seems like a lot of the new boards are starting to include these. It's kind of funny, as the Band-Aid mod slowly starts to go away, this is starting to be included with all the boards. I still like to try it with or without them when I do builds. I've started to move away from doing the Band-Aid mods myself. I have been using for a while. I've been using upgrade keyboard stab pads, stabilizer pads. It's when you start to say stabilizer and then change your mind and decide to say stab right in the middle of it. But yeah, so you know, it just depends on if you want that bottom out sound or if you want a more muted bottom out for your stabilizers. So yeah, so stabilizers there. What do we got here? A little Allen key, some little rubber tab things. I'm not sure what those are for yet. I guess we'll figure that out. If anybody knows, let me know down in the comments. Sure, I'll figure it out before I start to do this. You got your little, make sure your pins aren't bent on your switches. Card. I was gonna say it's a sticker, but it's a card. Got our screws here. We've got some more screws here, and of course 4 rubber bump-ons, and this little weird Allen key things that I've started seeing in stuff from KBDFans. But I guess an Allen key's an Allen key. Never hurts to have those around. Good thing to throw on the desk and something for them to put their branding on. So that's about it for this unboxing video today, guys. I hope you really liked it. If you didn't, or if you did, let me know. Hit the like and subscribe. Check the comments down below. I'll be sure to include some links to the product information page, and I will include some information about affiliate sites that I have. Forgot about the cable. Pretty standard USB-C cable, nothing fancy. It's no artisan cable, it's just a cable. But yeah. Oh, another thing I didn't really notice about this case has an actual slot in here to put your cable in, which is nice. I'm not used to seeing that. Most of like your Portico case, your NK65 case just kind of has a little pocket at the top, and it's like, yeah, stick your cable in there and hope it closes with your keycaps. But hey guys, thanks for checking this video out. Hope to see you again real soon. Have a great rest of your day.